All right, obviously, Cammie, good information there. A situation in there you want to avoid this morning. Bad accident right now. And again, that's just a quarter after 6, so I'm thinking that's going to impact a lot of the morning drive here. So a big cleanup down that way. Outside here, as we look west and southwest across the top of the station, quiet. We have a few clouds out there, 31 degrees. As I was saying earlier, it was kind of cool. The clouds quickly passing from north to south across what is still nearly a full moon. It is a little brisk, though, with that 31. Northwest winds right now 14. In fact, metro temperatures coldest on the west side, Mission Park right now, and Bennington, along with Prairie View, all checking in at 27. And then we gradually warm from the upper 20s into the low 30s as we go back east. A little bit thicker clouds here. Right now, Swanson Park and Willow Springs, your neighborhood temperatures at 30 degrees. And as we pan this out, you'll kind of see the trend. Slightly warmer just to the east and southeast of the metro. Right now, Red Oak and Clarinda both checking in at 34. And then back to the west, it's mainly in the 20s. In fact, Wayne's dropped all the way to 23 right now. Lincoln 27, and the wind's putting a little edge on things. Current wind chill factors show you step out in Lincoln, it feels like 19, and right now our wind chill factor in Omaha sits at 21. All right, here's a look at the cloud cover on our exclusive Viper HD satellite as we kind of run from Ralston southeast toward La Vista and back down through Papillion between generally L Street, across Q and Harrison, all the way to 370, just some scattered clouds, but we're dry. There's nothing falling from the clouds, which is good news. And you can see those clouds actually thin out a little bit as we head to the west. That's why we're in the 20s here. And there's that thicker stripe of clouds holding temperatures up in the low to mid 30s out over parts of southwestern Iowa. We are tracking a potent weather system that brought a lot of severe weather to the Gulf Coast yesterday afternoon and evening. It's now bringing snow from St. Louis up to Chicago, just north of Detroit there. So if you're flying to any one of those three major cities, probably some delays there. In fact, the rain and thunderstorms may delay flights a little bit, places like Cleveland, Pittsburgh, Indianapolis, and even Cincinnati this morning. So none of that, at least here, coming down on top of us. We're looking at temps in the upper 20s to low 30s this morning. A little breezy, but we actually get close to 40 by lunchtime. And then with partly cloudy skies this afternoon, we hit the low to mid 40s. And then there's that weak weather system that could bring a rain or snow shower. Timing now looks to be a little earlier, which is a good thing. Late evening, wee hours of the morning, meaning it may be out of here by the morning drive tomorrow, because my concern is if we have any moisture and we're down in the low 30s, we could see a few slick spots. Either way, we're not expecting much in the way of snow accumulation, and that all happens tonight after a temperature of 44 this afternoon. Blustery tonight, again, some light rain, some light snow will drop to 30. It does appear a lot of that will be out of here by first thing tomorrow morning, and then we're left with another blustery day tomorrow, partly sunny, upper 30s, but the winds will be pretty strong through a good part of the day. And then the weather gets great, near 50 on Friday. Look at that high Saturday, back in the mid-60s. And then a little bit cooler. A front's going to move across the area Sunday, so the timing on that will have a lot to do with how warm we get. Some models still have us close to 60. Some have us staying in the 40s all day. So we'll kind of watch that, but just know that Sunday potentially is a changeable weather forecast day. All right, right now, 6:17, 31 degrees outside. Stay with us. We'll have another look at sports.